So the next thing I'm trying out is the Plum Lip Perfection Balm. So let's get this one out of the box. I like the sound of it being plum. That's really exciting to me. You seen that? Very nice. Smells delicious. I know you can't smell through a video, but I wish you could, because that is delightful. So I think the best thing about this one is that it's absolutely organic as well. Normally, all the products are super easy to try on. I've got patch plasters, and I don't have an injury at the moment, which is a relief, mainly because rugby got cancelled. But I'll show you what I like inside anyway. So this is what the plasters look like. Like I say, it's natural bamboo strips, so it's really cool. I'm gonna actually open one, just, you know, there's enough of them. I'm just gonna give it a feel. It feels like a nice, it's not plasticky in feel, obviously, because it isn't. It looks good on both sides, lovely jubbly. It kind of is just almost like you're wearing a bit of like bandage tape, so it's quite good actually. I would definitely wear these, and you can get more sympathy because people can see your plaster, like, oh, have you hurt yourself? And you're like, yes, I have. Is it better?